Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this one is going to be chain, screw, and belt one. Which one sounds better? So you guys got the options to pick those in the comments below for another belt video. So here's the belt one. Okay, so there's that one. Now we're on to the chain drive in the next video. See you there. Hey guys, so here's the another one for the voting video. So here's the chain drive. And here's it going up. Then here's it going down. Okay, so there's that one. Now we're on to the screw drive. See you there. Okay, so here is another one, the last one for the voting video, contest video. So this is the screw drive. And here's the screw drive going down. So there's that one. Alright, so you guys got all three choices to pick. So hopefully you guys enjoy this and pick your favorite garage door you'd pick. So see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.